Samsung is making a huge mistake changing this in the design of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Hello guys, Noors here. So Samsung did wrong when they decided to make this change in the design. The biggest change of the Galaxy S23 Ultra is the wider middle frame. And a wider frame means less curved display. So Samsung is going to lose their biggest fans for this change, especially now when we got the confirmed design of the phone. According to S23, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will maintain the exact same camera design as the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which we all loved so much, and in my opinion it's the best camera design that Samsung ever made after the S21 Ultra. Also, the size of the Galaxy S23 Ultra is almost identical to the S22 Ultra, with only 0.1 to 0.2mm of increase, with 8.9mm thickness and the same 6.8-inch 3088 by 1440 screen. And the battery will keep the same size too, which is 5000 mAh. So the changes of the Galaxy S23 series won't appear on the look of the phone except this new wider frame, but the changes will be in the performance and power efficiency with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 and One UI 5.1. That's what I have today for you guys. Share the video with family and friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification so you get notification for the latest news. And you must watch this video afterwards to know what Samsung planning for their mid-range A series. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.